I would like to highlight on two different aspects. Number one, in fact, almost 5 years back, just before the pandemic set in, we organized the Northeast first drone show in IIT Guwahati. And IIT Guwahati right now has a center for drone technology. Okay, so we work on almost every aspects of drone. And another important thing I would like to share is, we have a drone training center. In fact, 9 different types of drones. We are certified drone training center. So we also offer training to various all kinds of drones. So research plus training on drones is also a very active component in IIT Guwahati. Secondly, we are also working the state government on not just developing the cameras, but also, our electronics department is a very active group of people working on image processing. Okay, so drone, it's not just the camera. So, as we discussed earlier, that the cameras are anyway, quite ready-made. It doesn't make sense that, we invest in developing lenses, because, these come from very specific companies who are already the leaders, and we use them to get the images, and then image processing is what our team is really good at. So we're really experts in that, and we work again very closely with a lot of different agencies in the Northeast, because this is also a zone where you see a lot of disasters happening. So in addition to the agricultural, in addition to the military, the disaster management and disaster response is another important area where the drones are playing a major role. So definitely IIT Guwahati is an important player or important partner in along with various organizations for the drone development and drone applications. In fact, two organizations which Dr. Bapat would know is the Marut Drones. The founder of Marut Drones is an IIT Guwahati alumni, and he is also incubated at IIT Guwahati. We have another company called Drone Tech. They are also again working with the defense organizations in a lot of different aspects. In fact, one of the founders of Drone Tech is a former defense person. So we have a lot of very good footprint in the drone sector also. Another important development that IIT Guwahati has initiated very recently is, in fact, 2.5 years back, we have signed a umbrella MOU with the entire Eastern Command of the Army, and we are working on multiple projects with the Army. So, and we also have a TIDF, a Technology Incubation Center here, supported by DST, that works on the underwater systems. Okay, so very important technologies are being developed into underwater welding for ships, and all technologies are being developed. So, we have a center that works on that technology. Plus, this year in 2025, we have established a Manekshaw Center of Defense Technology at IIT Guwahati. So we are as such open. We are to work with the defense organizations, with defense companies, and even startups. If anybody is interested, we are ready to join hands with them and to take not just the expertise we have in semiconductor technology, but other expertise that we have in, as I mentioned, the image processing, in disaster management, or another vertical very important technology which is coming up is the 3D printing technology. Okay, so most of today manufacturing, if I talk about advanced manufacturing or the industry 5.0 which is coming up, okay, the 3D printing is going to play a central role for that. So this is a very important technology where the convergence of various technologies, including software and hardware, is going to come up in a very big way, and that is where we can contribute.